You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American actress and singer. If you want to learn more celebrity names, more confusing names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Hayden Panettiere. It's from French panettiere. Let's hear her say her own name.
Hey, I'm Hayden Panettiere.
Yes, it comes from French panettiere. That would be the French pronunciation. She says it really close to the French pronunciation too. Panettiere, panettiere, Hayden Panettiere. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.